Hello, you welcome back to my channel. Today's video explains how to turn on or turn off profile view history. If you want to actually turn off your notification to get in order not to get notified when someone check your profile, or if you want to see the numbers of people that is checking your profile on TikTok per month in the last 30 days, then this video is for you. Once you log on to your TikTok app, mobile app, the second step is to click on your profile. So you now proceed and you click on the three line up there. You now click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, you will now scroll and click on privacy. Once you're done clicking on privacy, you scroll down. You now click on profile views. As you can see, it is on right now. So see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days and allow others to see that you have viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off at any time. So I'll be clicking on turning off right now. So you've succeeded in turning off your profile view history on TikTok. Remember to subscribe, like and share.